I want to introduce another subject. It's called Yama and Niyama. What is that? These are practices that help your meditation. There are two sets. The Yama, there are 5, and the Niyama also 5. The difference between them is that one is more related to the external world, and the other one is more related to the internal world. For example, ahimsa, non-harming. You will not harm any entity with thought, with word, or action. So it's more an external thing. It needs you and another entity. It needs 2 entities so you can practice it. So this is a very important practice. If we think about harming people, our mind gets disturbed, so better not to let our mind get disturbed. Keep it calm. Don't think about it. So that is the non-harming. You can practice it this week. How do you practice it? You need a second person. So it means you go to the supermarket, you have to make the payment. Usually we just give the things, make the payment, and we are not thinking about anything. All yogic practices start in the mind. So here, when you are going to interact with that person, you kind of keep in your mind that whatever you will do, you will not harm that other entity in any way. Okay, so you start from that thought, and then you act, and then you do your action. Okay, so it's a very simple way to practice it. So this week, you meditate in the morning, meditate in the evening or night, so twice a day meditation. You can do at least 5 minutes. You can keep the timer 5 minutes. Or if you do more, do more. This is like the minimum. You can do more. And whenever you meet somebody, you're going to talk to somebody, interact with somebody, or with any other entity, plant, animal, before you do that, you kind of think, now I'm going to act to interact with this other individual, this other entity. I should not do anything to harm this entity. So that is the simple practice you can carry on this week, and we'll see the effect, how it comes.